think he's committed himself to repeatedly making these little ripples, always with the intention, always with the mindset of how do we make this big current, how do we make this big wave out of this thing.
Somebody had a term, Glenergy, that Glen is a high energy, enthusiastic, just incredible champion.
Glen has a tremendous vision to see things down the road that others can't even imagine will occur.
I mean, when you think about Robert Kennedy and all he stood for, I think Glen lives that in spades.
Glen Tullman is a consumer health pioneer and visionary who has harnessed technology to save lives. As CEO of Allscripts, he revolutionized the healthcare industry, moving doctors away from scribbled prescriptions on a notepad to e-prescriptions.
We've always known that that was an error-prone process. And by automating that process, we literally could and did save thousands and thousands of lives.
By the time that Glen launched with electronic prescribing, within a short period of time, now over 1 billion prescriptions are written electronically in the United States.
But Glen Tullman's healthcare revolution was jolted by a revelation when his 8-year-old son Sam was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes.
I went and I first saw him in the hospital, and he looked up and he said, "Can we fix this?" And I did what most parents would do to their son or daughter. I said, "Of course we can."
This is what kids do when they get diagnosed, is they look up to their parents and see, like, how do I take this news? What do I do with my life now? And I looked up and I saw 2 people that were like, we're going after this thing. This is gonna have no detrimental impact on your life.
Sam's diabetes diagnosis led to Livongo. By employing smart connected devices, personalized digital guidance, and round-the-clock access to health professionals, Livongo is making a difference for people with chronic conditions. One example, when diabetes members' blood sugar readings are out of range, a diabetes response specialist will call or text within minutes.
At Livongo, what we wanted to create was this safety net, this blanket that says wherever you are, whenever you need to talk to someone 24 hours a day, within 60 seconds, we'll be on the phone with you to understand what you need.
So I think that's exactly what Livongo is doing, is bringing this high level of care and accessibility to hundreds of thousands of people that otherwise would not be getting it.
Glen has raised over $100 million for the Juvenile Diabetes Research Foundation and the American Diabetes Association, which has contributed to additional breakthroughs.
He helped catalyze our artificial pancreas project, which is literally changing the lives of millions of people right now. It's amazing.
His driver is to say, no matter what, we're gonna make these things better. And I think that is what makes him great.